Hi friends, welcome to the 9th edition of Turin, Korean capital here in Turin, and we are here today with Alex. Ciao,
Ciao,
Alex.
come stai?
Bene. So Alex has been coming over and over to Turin, and we're gonna have him sharing why.
Firstly, it's to visit Lucia, who taught me at Purdue 12 years ago. And she told me she lived in Turin. I've been to Milan, I've been to Venice, I've been to Rome, all massive cities with lots of people. You almost feel congested when you're there. When you come to Turin, it's a little bit of a different pace. You kind of go at your own, you're not forced around by people. You know, you see the people walking behind us, there's plenty of space. And it's a very well planned out city, which is nice. You go to Rome, you can get lost in the winding streets. If you come here, you're not gonna get lost.
And so you also came over with your family, and what was their impression about Turin?
My family liked it, especially coming from Rome in the heat of summer, right as tourism season was beginning. Coming here was refreshing and more relaxing for them as opposed to Rome. Rome's a great city in its own right, but like I said, you can get probably better food up here with more space to move about and less people and less tourists around.
Yeah, one of the things that people are always surprised of is we don't seem to have that many tourists, but like this time actually you noticed many groups, right?
Yeah.
So you were coming by train from Milan, and we can hear today many different languages, so this is one thing. And what are the top 4 things to eat in Turin?
Since it's fresh in my mind, gelato from
Of course.
Gelateria Moretti, see? And then pastificio, which was my first visit here.
Oh, pastificio de
That was the first time I had, I think you had octopus or squid,
Yes.
because I slap it against the wall to make it more tender, right?
Well, traditionally that's what they do.
And
Yeah.
then il vicolo, which is risotto. And then finally, I cannot remember where you sent us to dinner the last time we were here.
Oh, Cantina Barbaru. Cantina Barbaru.
Cantina Barbaru.
But
Yes.
I thought that you would put Turin in one of the 4
But coffee's separate for me.
coffee separate. Okay.
Different.
So share how Turin follows your rules then.
To me, if a restaurant serves coffee, at least in the United States, it's probably different standards in Italy as it always is. But it's never good coffee, it's always terrible quality. So coffee shops for me are a whole different sector. Here they have Albicciarin, which was been around since what, the 1700s.
Yeah.
Hasn't
it's
changed a bit.
1763.
Have they even changed the glasses from then? They're still the same glasses, right? It's a great little coffee shop. They serve the Bicciarin, which is Torino's specialty, I
Yeah.
think.
So you
it's fair to say.
have coffee with chocolate and fruited milk.
And it's very rich, very good, and a great pick-me-up in the middle of the afternoon or in the morning. Great place. One of my favorite shops in the world.
Very good. So you, like many others, have watched Stanley Tucci in Searching for Italy, the episode that was actually filmed here in Turin and Piemonte. And like all of us, you got pissed. Why? What would you have added?
I think Stanley looked at Piedmont as a whole and not specifically Torino or Turin. And I didn't think he spent enough time at Albicciarin. It showed him kind of sipping it, and he briefly talked about it. As far as the city is concerned, I mean, they barely scraped the barrel of the restaurants here that they offer. I thought what they showed looked like a good place, but there were other places. He didn't hit the gelato here and how good that is. He didn't even, did he even touch on the hazelnut? I can't remember.
No, absolutely.
I mean, he didn't even touch on that, and how Guido Gabino, the chocolate shop here. I mean, I just think they could have spent a whole episode on this particular city and not the whole region.
Yeah, the problem is that there's just so much, and in just one episode, it's hard to condensate, but today we tried in just 5 minutes. Thank you, Alex.
See, you're welcome. Prego.